In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create automations with Brevo. By the end of this quick walkthrough, you will have a simple welcome message automation setup using a list, a time delay, and an email template, and then you will activate it so it can start running. First, log into your Brevo account and look for automations in the main navigation. Open Automations, then go into Workflow. This is where you build automated sequences that trigger when someone meets certain conditions, like joining a list. Take a moment to confirm you are in the workflow area before continuing, since this is where the automation builder lives. Next, click Create an Automation. Brevo will show you different automation options that are pre-built for common use cases. For this tutorial, select Welcome Message, then click Create Automation. Choosing this option gives you a clean structure designed specifically for sending a first email to new contacts, which is ideal for onboarding and setting expectations right away. Now you will configure the key settings. Select your list. This list determines who enters the automation, so make sure you choose the exact audience you want to receive the welcome email. Then set your time delay. The delay controls when the welcome message is sent after someone joins the list. A short delay can help your email arrive at a natural moment, and it also gives Brevo time to register the contact and any related data. After that, select your email template. Then click Next. Your template is the actual message that will be sent, so pick one that matches your brand and purpose. Before moving on, it is a good habit to double-check that the subject line and main content are correct for a welcome email and that it clearly reflects what the subscriber signed up for. Finally, click Activate the Automation. Activation is what turns your workflow from a draft into a live automation. Once it is active, new contacts added to the selected list will begin following the workflow automatically, including the delay and the email send. That covers everything you need to know.